there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Today, we've got a face-off between two 3D printing heavyweights, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS and the Creality K1C. Which one will be your new best friend in the world of 3D printing? Let's dive in and find out. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes your wallet cry: the price. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS comes in at a cool $375. That's like 3 months of Netflix and a couple of avocado toasts. Meanwhile, the Creality K1C is sitting at $699. Ouch! That's almost a new PlayStation 5 and a year's worth of ramen. So if you're on a budget, Phrozen is your go-to. But hey, maybe Creality throws in a free massage or something for that price. Spoiler alert, they don't. Now, let's talk speed. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is like a reliable Honda Civic, steady and dependable. But the Creality K1C, it's a Ferrari on steroids. This bad boy boasts a max speed of 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. That's 12 times faster than your average 3D printer. In the time it takes for the Sonic Mini to print a cute little Yoda, the K1C could probably print Yoda, Luke, Leia, and the Millennium Falcon. If speed is your need, the K1C is your steed. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty print quality. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS boasts a mind-blowing 22 micrometers resolution. That's like seeing every pore on a Barbie doll's face. Plus, it promises up to 50% fewer layer lines. Smooth as a baby's bottom, folks. Now, the K1C is no slouch either. With a clog-free direct extruder and a tri-metal unicorn nozzle, it's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. But can it match the microscopic detail of the Phrozen? Maybe not, but it sure tries. Next up, user experience. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man of 3D printers. Easy to use and perfect for beginners. Open source slicers, simple operation, and an overall great entry-level printer. On the other hand, the Creality K1C is like Iron Man, loaded with tech. It has hands-free auto-calibration, an AI camera for real-time monitoring, and even a silent mode. Just a tap and you're off to the races. But all these bells and whistles might be a bit overwhelming for newbies. And finally, let's check out the special features. The K1C comes with its own air purification system, reducing odors and particles. It's like having your own tiny, silent butler. Plus, it supports all sorts of advanced filaments, including carbon fiber. Fancy, right? The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS keeps it simple with compatibility with most slicers and an easy-to-use interface. It's like the comfort food of 3D printers, no surprises, just good results. Reviewers have a lot to say about these two printers. For the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, reviewers are impressed with its high print quality and value for money, though some had issues with customer service and compatibility with slicing software. On the other hand, the Creality K1C gets mixed reviews. While some users praise its speed and user-friendly features, others encountered quality control issues and defective units. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for high-resolution and beginner-friendly operation, go for the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS. But if you're after speed, tech features, and don't mind splurging, the Creality K1C is your guy. Which one will you choose? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.